Yes, my dear 10th students. So today in this fine day we start the new chapter, that is pair of linear equation in two variables. This is algebraic part and very important for examinations. So it's having 6 to 7 marks in this chapter, they will ask. Okay. So before that, first of all, we already studied about the degree in polynomial chapter. Okay. So what is the meaning of degree? First of all, so degree is nothing but what? The highest exponent of the polynomial is called degree. For example, 4x cube plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So the highest exponent is 3. Therefore, the degree is 3. So this is first one, degree. And the second one, see, observe here the chapter name. The name itself indicates that what? Pair of linear equation. Pair, two, linear equation and two variables. There are mainly three important words are there here. So first of all, we should know what is the meaning of linear equation. Okay, already you studied in the chapter polynomial. Okay, what is the meaning of linear equation? Linear means 1. Okay, the polynomial of degree 1 is called linear equation or linear polynomial. See here, for example, 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. Whenever the expression is equated to 0, then it is called equation. I already told you, is it right? So see here, linear means the highest exponent is what? 1. The highest exponent is 1. The polynomial of degree 1 is called linear equation or linear polynomial. First one is finished. Second one, pair. There are mainly two linear equations are there, not only one. There are mainly two linear equations are there. Pair of linear equation. This much is finished. Next, in two variables. What is the meaning of variable? We can use small letter alphabet A to Z. You can use any one. Okay. Two variables means what? Variables. It can change. So according to the requirements. Okay. So two variables. I will take first one. First linear equation means what? 3x plus 4y minus 1 is equal to 0. So what is the condition here? This is equation. Linear means the degree is 1. First one is finished. And two variables. Here x is a variable, y is also variable. Is it right? So x and y, there are two variables. Therefore it is called what? Linear equation in two variables. Pair of linear equation in two variables. You can take another example, including this one also. 4x minus 8y plus 3 is equal to 0. There are how many equations are there here? There are two equations are there. Therefore, these two equations are said to be pair of linear equation in two variables. Then what is the meaning of linear equation in two variables? Okay, what is the definition? See here. The equation is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. I will repeat once again. The equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is called linear equation in two variables. Here x and y are the two variables. A is the coefficient of x, b is the coefficient of y and c is the constant. Is it right? I will repeat once again. What is the linear equation in two variables? So the equation is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here a should not be 0, b also should not be 0. If a is 0, then the total term becomes 0. Then it is having only single variable. So therefore it is called linear equation in one variable. So linear equation in two variables means what? So we should have in the x and y, two variables. And mainly in this chapter there are mainly 4 methods. Okay. So before that, the special note, you should know the special note. What is the note? Linear equation in two variables having infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. For example, 2x plus 4y minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so just you substitute the value of x, then followed by we get the value of y. If we put x is equal to 1, then y is equal to the different value. If you put substitute x is equal to 2, then we will get the y is equal to the different value. Therefore, we are having infinitely many solutions. This is first special note. And second special note is, what is the second special note? So, linear equation in two variables having the straight line in graph. So, if you draw the graph always be straight line, not the curved line, not the parabola. It is always straight line. So, these are the two special notes. First of all, so already you knew that one, degree. What is the degree? And what is the linear equation? And pair of linear equation in two variables. What is the linear equation in two variables? Then the special notes. There are two special notes. So, next there are mainly four methods are there. First one is substitution method. Next one is elimination method. Third one is cross multiplication method. And last one is reducible form. So, before that we should know graphical representation of pair of linear equation in two variables. One chart is there, just we have to observe one chart. Let us see here. Yes, how many steps are there, how many methods are there? First one is substitution method. Second one is elimination method. Third one is cross multiplication method. And the last one is reducible form. So, ultimately in these four methods we have to find out the value of x and y. So, in the examination they will ask one question. So, they will give one equation, linear equation. Find the value of x and y. They have given two equations. So, by using any one of the method, you can find out what the value of x and y. In these four methods, the second one, elimination method, is very important for the examination. They will not ask you should use the substitution or cross multiplication, but we can use any method. The elimination method is suitable for the finding the value of x and y. Just you have to cancel x first, then find out the value of y, then you have to substitute the value of x in any one of the equation, then we will get value of other variable also. So, this is the best method. Okay. So, in the next class we have to study about what? The graphical representation of pair of linear equation in two variables. Okay. Thank you.